Hello, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. On today's episode, we're taking care of a B2B PS4 Slim HDMI port replacement. Fun times. We'll be giving this a good deep cleaning, thermal compound replacement, and thermal pad upgrade. Well, I went to prep the port to get it removed, and the whole thing just fell out. So hopefully no torn pads on this one. No torn pads, I will take it. Damn it, I forgot that I hit the record button. Trying to keep up with the madness whilst providing the best angles. There we go. Oh, I need more Sara. We need more Sara. Take my Sara. I need more Sara. I'm just trying to get that last post prettied up. There we go. Oh. There we go. That's the pins, beautiful. And those are the posts, also very beautiful. Nice. So this encoder chip is shot. We'll need to turn this into a two-parter. But thanks for tuning in. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment, and if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe. Also tap that bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.